How to schedule a future transfer on Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money later, not now, well, in today's video I'll show you how to schedule a future transfer on the Wise app in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can simply scroll down and tap on the send button. And here you can choose the currency and the recipient you want to send money to. And after that, you simply have to enter amount that you want to send. And here you can just tap on continue to move to the payment details screen. And here on the review screen, just tap on send later or look for the schedule transfer option. And after that, you can pick the exact date that you want to transfer to go through. And here, once you're done with that, just review all the details, including the exchange rate and fees. And after that, you can just tap confirm. And once you're done with all that, Wise will handle the rest on your chosen date. And that's it. That's how easy it is to schedule a transfer in advance with Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.